Hi. So we are Group 2 CRM, and this is our Sprint 4 demo. So I think Kunj will share his screen. He has it running on his machine. So Kunj, can you? Okay. So let's start with the dashboard. We added a few metrics in this system for this sprint. The first one was to view leads by its source that are there. Um, what can I say? Yeah, the second one is no, just come down. That was done in the last sprint. The top five communication employees of the top five employees of the team who sent out the most mails in the system. Then come down, please, again. So the third one is number of leads by source. So if you add any more leads, so we have a parameter how the leads are added. According to that, we will be showing it. One more was added was since we are more focused on deal management in this sprint. So number of closed deals in this sprint are updated here. So it's a good thing to have closed deals. So we should know the number. The team should always have a metric on hand on that. So talking about deals, let's create one. Okay, so you can see, oh, just wait a minute. Go back, please. Thanks. Um, so yeah, this is a get list. You can see the IDs are jumbled up. That was because whichever is the latest deal that is updated, it is according to that. So you can edit a deal. You can see on the actions page, there are two icons. One is for edit. Don't click on it. Wait. So one is for editing one, and the second one is for deleting it. So let's create one deal and then edit it. Could you add one? Yeah. Oh, you just picked up with the thing, right? Yeah, just refresh it for me. Thanks. Uh, Add deal. Okay. So wait, yeah, the account manager is important because that was the requirement, and this company, and that's okay. Just the deal name. Yeah, just write something over there. Yeah. And then can you open the drawers below, Kunj? Yeah. So the deal name, just keep on opening them. The around 55 or 57 parameters are included for this. These are by the sponsor, and we will still work on them in the next sprints, how the sponsor wants it after they have a go on it. So the primary required fields were deal name and account manager. Can you save that, please? Okay. So now you can see the new deal was created, 52 number. And let's edit an old deal. Can you do that, Kunj? Yeah, anyone. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Your machine's slow, bro. Okay. Just rename it to something else. Like, let's just have something else over there. Yep, that works. Thanks. So you can see that the new deal is come up because it was updated the last. So other than this, let's move to more of non-functional user stories, which are still important. One was lock mechanism was implemented. Add bulk deals, you can see on the top, was added in the last sprint. But what if there is a race condition and multiple files are going in the system at the same time? That will just slow our system down. So to restrict that and to have some cap over it, we added a lock mechanism in the system. Let me share the screen for it for a minute. I think so. Kunj, I'll just share my screen. Yeah. So we tested on something, a tool known as JMeter. So that actually helps us with performance testing. So this is just I ran it again. So lock mechanism 1, 2, and 3. So three files were uploaded at the same time. That the software handles it. We don't know exactly how it, but it does upload at the same time. And we see what exactly is the error. Yeah. So this was one that Parth had done in his testing, which was there. So the second bulk request that is there, we just simply ignore it because the first one is still happening on. So the first one passes, but the second one and the third one doesn't work. Also, there was one more user story to handle about security, which is also a non-functional one, but is pretty important that we thought and is required to cover our sponsors project. That if someone tries to insert a JavaScript in the code, from the text area, when you get it back, sometimes the browser just interprets it as a script, and that script is run. So we will show a warning, and we will remove the script tags that are there and then insert it in the database. So if that happens, our system is still secure. Other than that, we also did unit test coverage of the old code that is there, and we are still working on that, and we will be continuing to work on that in the next sprints as well. And I think so that's it. That was our sprint for this week, and we will be focusing on investors, which took our time for analysis in this sprint, and we will include more in deal pipeline. Thank you. That's it. Bye bye.